In this video, we compare DJI Mini 3 Pro and HS175D GPS Drone Package. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a stunning 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capability, capturing your world in remarkable detail, whether it's day or night. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings than ever before. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it perfect for any adventure and eliminates the need for registration in most regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering unparalleled safety for a mini drone. Beyond its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an array of intelligent features like focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, and quick transfer, enhancing your creative options. Included with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new DJI RC, pre-installed with the DJI Fly app and featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera, featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product, offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. In comparing the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the HS175D GPS Drone Package, both drones offer 4K video capability, intelligent features, and compact foldable designs. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, however, stands out with its 48 megapixels photo capability and a lengthy flight time of up to 34 minutes. It also boasts tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering a high level of safety for a mini drone. The HS175D GPS Drone Package, on the other hand, offers a longer flight time of up to 46 minutes with 2 batteries. It also has a GPS auto return feature, which can be especially useful for beginners. The HS175D also stands out with its price point being significantly cheaper than the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Both drones weigh less than 250 grams, eliminating the need for registration in most regions. It's also worth noting that the DJI Mini 3 Pro has a higher review score, but the HS175D has more reviews in total, indicating a larger customer base. In conclusion, both drones have their strengths, with the DJI Mini 3 Pro offering higher-end features and the HS175D providing excellent value for its price.